so I'm going to show you guys how to make parm and herb roasted zucchini. So what you're going to need is just some zucchinis. You're going to need the parm and herb clubhouse spice here. And then I just use salt and pepper. And then you're just going to need a cooking spray or any oil works fine. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So I've already done that now. It's preheating. And then you're going to spray your pan with some oil. So shake it up here. The first thing you're going to do is cut off both ends of the zucchini. Then you're going to cut them into 3 even sections. Then you're going to cut them straight down the middle. Okay, so once you cut them relatively the same size, you're going to put your spices on. So I like this parm and herb spice. It tastes really good on the zucchini, so you're just going to sprinkle it on each one of them here. Then when the oven is preheated, you're going to pop it in. You're going to put a timer on for 35 to 40 minutes. This depends on your type of oven, so you're going to have to play around with how long it needs to cook. This is what it looks like when it's done. I put it in for 35 minutes. If you want it a bit more crispy, I would put it in for 40 minutes.